Today, I'm going to provide you with a detailed guide on how to fully utilize the storyboard feature of LlamaGen.Ai. First, we start by heading to the Storyboard homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a New Storyboard button. Click on it to start creating a new storyboard. Once you click, you'll be taken to the first step of creating your storyboard. On this page, there are 3 ways to provide your story idea. 1. Choose a system preset story idea. The platform has prepared some sample themes that you can select and use immediately. 2. Manually input an idea. You can also type your own story idea directly into the input box. 3. Upload a document. If you've already prepared a complete story, you can click Upload button to upload your story file. For this walkthrough, I'll select a pre-made idea as an example. After making a selection, click Continue to proceed to the next step. In this step, you'll choose the genre of your story, such as comedy, romance, animation, and more. Here, I'll select the animation genre. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. Next, the system will begin generating the screen breakdown. During this process, the system will automatically break your provided idea into multiple story segments. This may take some time, so please be patient. Once complete, you'll see a breakdown list page. At the top of the page, you'll find the title of the breakdown. You can click a button to manually edit the title or theme. Below, you'll see the generated story scenes. You can review each of these scenes to ensure they meet your expectations. If there's anything you're not happy with, you can directly edit and modify it. Once everything looks good, click Next to proceed to the following step. After reviewing, click the Bring Your Story to Life button. This will move the process into the storyboard generation phase. At this point, the system will convert the story breakdown into a full screenplay. This step usually takes just a few seconds, so again, please be patient. Once the screenplay is generated, click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to select the visual style for your storyboard. Options include soft pencil, watercolor, photo, stick figure, and more. For this example, I'll choose the soft pencil style. After selecting, click Generate Your Storyboard. During this stage, the system will automatically complete the following steps. Extract a shot list from the screenplay. Generate and identify the required character details based on the screenplay and shot list. Produce the final storyboard images based on the character details and shot descriptions. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Once the generation is complete, click See Your Storyboard Now to view the final result. If the images are still being generated in the background, the page will display a loading status. Wait for all prompts and images to fully load. The final output consists of 4 major pages. 1. Storyboard page. Displays each shot's descriptive information and imagery, including scene descriptions, composition details, and style notes. 2. Screenplay page. Shows the complete script content. Here, you can edit or modify your screenplay directly. 3. Shot list page. Allows you to edit the details of each shot, including adding, deleting, or adjusting the information. 4. Animated page. Automatically creates a corresponding video based on the storyboard images you've generated. The overall workflow is as follows: story ideas, breakdown, screenplay, shot list, storyboard and animation. And that's the full process of using the storyboard feature on LlamaGen.Ai.